What's up, guys? Back. So we are pretty much done with the electrical besides pulling the main power in. So let me show you the panels in the basement. I just finished them up. So right here is one panel. So we split the house on two panels, you know. So all I have to do for four-way is I landed all of the grounds, or in these ground bars on both sides, and then all of the neutrals. And then all of the, for each room is, obviously I don't have the breakers in, so they're not landed yet, but they're all just marked. You can see they're all marked to where they go. So we have this one, and then we have the one over here, same sort of deal. So grounds right here, neutrals, all the wires. So this is where the big main wire is going to come in right here. And then it goes all the way across the entire house. Right here, it goes 80 feet. This one, same thing, is going to come out about a 40-foot piece for this one. And they both go through all of the ceiling. And then you can see there's some daylight right up there. That's where they go through outside. So the panel comes, the power comes from over there through the ground up through here to the main breaker, and then go, and each one of those panels gets fed from these breakers, and then it goes through those chases. So it is not fun, to say the least. Let me show you something I ran into. So yesterday we ran this wire right here, which is SER, rated for 100 amps. I have a 80-foot length. It was actually already wired into the panel and everything. It was done, ready to go. But I just didn't feel good about it. So you can see here, it's 80 feet laid out in the garage. A bunch of money wasted, obviously, but that wire is only good for 100 amps. And I just feel like that since I'm building this for my house I'm gonna live in for like 20, 30 years, I just need to oversize the wire so that when we add stuff in the future, I'm just not worried about it. So went to Lowe's today and bought this stuff. So you can see it's way bigger. It's way hard to work with. You can see it doesn't want to straighten out. It's like bending a solid piece of pipe to straighten it out. It's ridiculous. Super heavy. I mean, that tiny, this is a 40-foot length, and I bet this weighs somewhere around like 80 pounds. The back of the truck, I have an 80-foot length that weighs, so this is a 40-foot length that weighs 80 pounds. The one on the back of the truck probably weighs about 150 pounds. So I am going to try my best to get it done. We're going to four-way tomorrow. Those are the last things I need done before we can four-way. The rest of the electrical is wrapped up finally, so we'll see how it goes, and I will let you guys know. But it's not going to be fun. It's going to be like wrestling a 400-pound grizzly bear. But here we go. What's up? What's up? Good morning. We are first time four-way inspection this morning. So the inspector will be here probably around 11 o'clock. It is 8:42 this morning, and I don't think that we're gonna pass. I think that we'll probably fail, but we'll be able to get a good checklist of what we need to do, and then I'll come back in here this weekend sort of thing, and get everything fixed up to where we'll be able to pass next week and be able to move on. Windows are still gonna go in today, and roof is actually getting put on right now. So we'll be dried in, so no more water in the house. But I'll show you some other things too. So since you guys seen the house last, for four-way I haven't done any of the low voltage. So these orange boxes is where like the Cat 6 and RG6 will go. I haven't done any of the low voltage. You don't need any of that for four-way. See, there's another one there. I added these sconce lights. Last night actually I bought the floor heating for the bathroom. Totally something I forgot, so I do have to pull a circuit right here to this wall, and then I'm gonna put a piece of that blue Smurf tube that's over there. that's right there in the wall. I'm gonna put a piece of blue Smurf tube here, chip it out so that I can put the flooring down and then run it up to here, and then there'll be a thermostat in there that controls the floor heat. So the main wires coming in here, it's coming into the lugs, and then I landed the ground right there, you can see, and then there's a ground bar, and then all the grounds for the circuits and all the neutrals have to be landed. You don't land the hots obviously because we don't have any breakers in, but then those wires go out and through to my panel that I build outside. So basement's wrapped up. I mean, everything's wrapped up now, so I think we should, I don't know, theoretically be able to pass 4-way next week, and then insulation, sheetrock, a lot of stuff will start happening. I'll start on the tile and the hardwood floor, and exterior will be going, and we got a bunch of dirt. My buddy who's an excavator got a bunch of dirt for me. See all these piles. There's some people taking some dirt out down the street, so the whole level of this has to be filled in with dirt, and then this concrete obviously will be filled across. So just keep getting as much free dirt as I can, because you never imagine, but dirt is super expensive. So I'll let you guys know how 4-way goes, but wish me luck. Hopefully there's not too many items on the list. Catch you guys later. So after 4-way, we passed the electrical. I don't know how. No, just kidding. He was a super cool inspector. He went ahead and passed. There's some things that were a little questionable that I am just gonna go ahead and, since it's my house, I'm living here forever, I'm gonna fix anyways. I mean, it's gonna take me a total of like 10 minutes to do those things, but yeah, so we passed electrical. So this weekend, well, tomorrow, I need to get in all of the low voltage, so all of the Cat 6, RG6, stuff like that, and I need to run the bathroom exhaust fans. So that's on the to-do list for tomorrow, but it's a huge stress off my shoulders to pass 4-way. I was really concerned about it the entire time, but looks like that, I guess, did a little bit better than I thought we would. But wanted to update you guys with that. So we'll be stocking for, we'll be doing insulation on Monday. Today is Thursday, and then we'll be stocking sheetrock Wednesday. Hopefully not hopefully, unfortunately, I'll be living back here again in about 2 weeks from now. So I'll be here all this weekend. I'll get about a week break, which will be nice, and then I'll be here for about 2 weeks laying all of the tile, and then about a week for all of the hardwood flooring. So, but I do get a little bit of a break, which will be nice. I'm sure my wife will love that because I've been here way too much. So I'll catch up with you guys soon, but thanks for watching. Talk to you later.